Alright, so install Pytorch got over. Now let's see quick list. Okay, we have Torch 1.13.1 with support of CUDA 11.6 and TensorFlow. Yeah, TensorFlow 2.11.0. Okay, now let's check if the Torch is installed properly. We can do an import. Python import Torch and torch.cuda is available. It is true. Okay, so that we can make sure Torch is installed properly and GPU support is also available. So now we have installed TensorFlow and Pytorch with CUDA support. We came to know how to install latest version, or if you want some old version, how to do that. All the links are available in the tutorial description. Okay, now we can move into building some models and training them.